Hi everyone, this is Renata Martinez with Think Reliability, and today I want to present facilitation tip number 18, and it's simply to provide evidence. I want to demonstrate how evidence can be a facilitator's best friend as you're working through an incident investigation, utilizing the cause mapping method, which is an evidence-based approach. So at any point when a group starts to debate a possible cause or scenario, the facilitator can document it with a question mark, and that will provide indication to you and the team that you need to further collect evidence or understand that possible cause or scenario in order for you to validate it or negate it. You're also creating a documentation trail, if you will, as you capture the evidence. So if you claim that it was an operator statement or you pulled it from a trend, it kind of helps understand where that information came from. I also like to use evidence to help provide information around a particular cause that might be highlighted as a potential topic of debate, or maybe it's a sensitive topic. So the more information I can provide around that cause, the better. And then lastly, I like to include evidence when I'm crossing a cause out. So if you've eliminated a cause from your cause map, don't delete it, simply cross it out, add the evidence to share with the unfamiliar reader why that was ruled out as a possible cause. So by providing evidence to support or negate a cause throughout your incident investigations, it will keep that investigation and the findings factual. It will provide additional clarity and specificity surrounding the findings, and it will also make the meetings more efficient and productive. So looking at a 5-why cause map that impacted our regulatory goal, we had a spill or release because a valve was ineffectively isolated and it leaked. So both of those causes were required to produce the spill. But there were questions surrounding both of those branches. The team didn't know why the valve was ineffectively isolated or why it leaked. They did throw out some possible suggestions, and we documented those with the question mark. As I mentioned in facilitation tip number 15, which is to minimize speculation, as those questions come up or possible scenarios, we want to make those investigation action items. So information to go and collect. Within the cause mapping template, the Excel file contains a worksheet, info to get. That's where we document those action items. So once we go and collect that information, we then update the cause map accordingly. So in this case, we went and collected the trends. The valves upstream of this failed valve were actually open leading up to the incident, so leading to the ineffective isolation. And then the valve packing had also failed. They actually provided photos for me. So your evidence might come in several different forms or formats. So you might be looking at photographs, operational data or trends, historical data, maybe policies and procedures, witness statements or accounts, calculations, etc. If it's a particular topic of debate, I would provide more information to support the findings that the team is presenting. So as a facilitator, use evidence to drive productive conversations, and it will lead you to factual findings. Thanks for listening. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.